Cut out paperwork and stress at tax time with QuickBooks Self-Employed's effortless GST tracking. Here's how to set it up. In the QuickBooks Self-Employed app, open the Settings menu, scroll down and tap Your Work Info. Select GST and choose whether you want GST to be inclusive or exclusive. And tap Save to complete your GST setup. Now, when you categorize transactions as business, you can tap GST to automatically calculate and keep track of GST on income and expenses. It's that easy. And when it's time to lodge BAS, you can get an automatic report emailed to you without having to crunch any numbers or dig through a shoebox of receipts, just by selecting Reports in the Settings menu. Pick the tax year and tap Send to get a quarter-by-quarter report of GST on your income and expenses for you or your accountant to lodge your BAS. Avoid tax time stress and spend less time on paperwork with the QuickBooks Self-Employed app.